Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Olga if you're new here. On this channel you will find high-end and budget-friendly home decor DIY ideas and crafts. In today's video I'm excited to share with you high-end and beautiful home decor DIYs from Dollar Tree items. I really hope you will enjoy and be inspired from this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment, and let's jump right into our first project. For this project you would need Dollar Tree round mirror, also you would need a cork, and from the cork I made 11-inch circle. Here I'm just marking where I'm going to glue the mirror. To glue the mirror I used E6000 and hot glue. Also you would need 12-inch wood blend wreath. But before gluing the wreath we are going to make 2 braids from natural raffia. For each braid I took 3 sets of 4 to 6 pieces of raffia, made a knot, glued the ends together and made a braid. And then I just glued 2 braids around the mirror. Next I glued the wreath to the cork. As I still could see the cork between the wreath and the braid, I took few strips of raffia and covered the gaps. The same way I covered the gaps between the cork and the wreath on the sides. And the final step is to glue the hook from the mirror to the cork. So I made small hole in the cork and glued the hook. I think it's very easy to make, and it turned out very beautiful and high-end, and it can be used as a mirror on the wall or as a tray. So I would love to hear from you, how would you use it? So now guys, I would like to take a moment and introduce you to today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is a huge online learning community where you can find thousands of interesting classes from beginners level to advanced on topics like interior design, photography, crafts, productivity, freelance and much more. Each class has video sections and transcriptions, and there are no ads anywhere. I already watched few classes related to crafts, and the next class that I'm so excited to take is Productivity Masterclass, Great System That Works by Thomas Frank. I'm very into increasing my productivity skills to be able to get to more things that I wish to complete. So if you guys want to try it out, the first 1,000 of my subscribers that click the link in the description box below will get 1 month free trial. So I'm really excited for you guys, and I think it's a great opportunity to try it out, and I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video and for giving you 1 month free trial. And we are moving to our next project. For this project I took 2 hexagonal mirrors. You would need only the frame from it, so I just removed everything else. Then I traced and cut hexagonal shape on a piece of cardboard. By using a cardboard from the mirror, it will be the base. You can use the cardboard that comes with the mirror, but when I removed the hook I made a hole in it, that's why I'm not going to use it. And then I'm just gluing the cardboard to the frame. Then I took Dollar Tree 12-inch wood dowels and glued them to each corner. The second frame I glued on top of the dowels. Then I took 6-inch dowels and glued them to the frame from the inside, as you can see in the video. Just hold it in an angle, as eventually you will be connecting all the dowels together. Next, I took craft wood doll pegs and glued one on top of the dowels. Also, I removed the excess glue where it sticked out. To make it look as one piece, I used wood filler. After that, I painted everything with stone texture spray paint. Instead, you can mix baking soda with paint and get a texture, or just use paint if you wish. When I spray painted it, not everything was completely covered, so I had to go over it with black paint using sponge and brush. As you may notice, I detached the base from the dowels, as I decided to make it separately, so I will be able to open and close it after. Also, I painted the frame of the base with the same black color and the cardboard with deep brown wax. Next, I measured cut and sand skewers from Dollar Tree and glued them to the bottom of the dowels. Of course, you can skip this part and just glue the dowels to the base, and that's it. Then I painted the dowels and this project is done. And I think it turned out very cute. You can arrange flowers there or use it as a lantern with LED lights or decorative candle. And we are moving to our last project. For this project you would need 2 Dollar Tree hats and tumbling tower blocks. So I took off the bottom part and will be using only the upper part of the hat. As you can see, I left small part of the hat that is in flat position for one of them and one row in the flat position for the second hat. Then I started to glue them together and the flat part will be inside of the other hat. That way I'm trying to make a smooth transition from one hat to another and make it as a whole piece. Now, as you can see, it's hard to glue them together at the end, so I'm moving to the bottom part and make a hole, as you can see. And now I can easily hold it and continue to glue the side. And I also glued the open end at the bottom. And now we are moving to the tumbling blocks. Unfortunately, it was not recorded, but basically I took 5 pieces of tumbling blocks and glued them together to create the piece that you see. You would need to create 4 pieces of the same one. Next, I took a cube also from Dollar Tree and glued 4 pieces to the cube. Then to fill the gaps, I used wood filler in natural color. And then I painted it with stone texture spray paint. As the spray paint didn't cover completely, I went over with black paint. Next, I took ornament and LED lights from Dollar Tree, marked on the ornament where I'm going to glue it, and glued it to the base. Then I just insert the LED lights and the project is done. You can have the batteries outside or inside. I really love how it turned out and I think it looks high-end. And that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed and was inspired. As usual, I would like to hear from you which one is your favorite. Subscribe to my channel if you like my projects and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Give this video a big thumbs up and check out other videos on my channel. Also, I would be happy to connect with you on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you very soon in our next DIY adventure. Bye guys!